Okay, Mike got a grunt. So let's see. It's gonna blow up. Oh, it's a no pokey, right?
Yeah.
Make it blow up. Did he blow up?
He's blowing up.
Woo! Cool. He's a no pokey. He's full of air. You hear him making all that noise? Oh my God! I wish you could get him for our aquarium. That'd be awesome. Bye-bye. Down there. Oh, he's floating.
Yeah, he's full of air.
Oh, babe, you should have poked him or something.
You don't poke him. He'll go down.
We go down. It's like his defense mechanism, right? So he'll be too fat to swallow. Uh-oh. I think he blew up too hard. It's like a balloon now. Oh, no, the birds are going to get him.